recording. This makes it on YouTube. I don't know where it got from. Fifth gear, motherfucker!
Do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight.
Get down. Here we go, Lil. I'm getting fucking busy.
I'd like to thank Justin Rule for letting us use his grandfather's fucking
Wheelchair.
fucked up wheelchair.
No, dude, no. I'm gonna throw up. Alright, cool.
Can you get this on YouTube, seriously?
This is so cool. Yeah, move it closer so you fucking hit the thing. You fucking goofball. Back up. Where are you going? What are you doing?
This shit's going on YouTube. You want to do a little flash for YouTube?
Whoa. Oh, God damn. Oh my God, it says Quickie on the back. I broke.
Here, take the camera.
Ouch! Oh!
Where are you going? Let me try down. I don't know which way to go. My turn. Get the fuck back here, dick. Oh, you almost ran over my feet. This is what happens when you are drunk and with a wheelchair that has power. Praise Jeebus, my legs work. Fuck you.
Thing's not ready to die. Look at it.
Dude, we gotta get a new car battery.
Dude, this thing worked. I'd take it to fire calls.
County wheelchair 2 6s in a row.
Yeah, we're gonna put this on YouTube, and the unfortunate people are gonna find out what kind of crazy fucking firemen, EMTs and shit they have around here.
Intoxicated.
Get in there. We're gonna put the garage door up. Cause I ain't gonna fit. Because no, my grandmother's like, what the fuck are they doing? Come out and I'm like that. Oh, okay, get up the fucking hill. Yeah, there we go.
Get your butt thrusters in gear. All right, what? Get off. Get off. Get off. Your camera. All right.